Welcome to day 11 of our 30-day Go High Level build for coaches. Again, my name is Gina, and in today's video, we're setting up all of the automation that moves your leads through the pipeline without dragging anything manually. These automations help your system automatically track new lead, book calls, and completed calls. I already prepared all of the three workflows ahead of time so I can walk you through them clearly and explain what each part does. So here inside the Go High Level, go to automation, and then I already created a folder to make sure that everything is organized. And here are the three workflows that I prepared. We have here new lead movement, book call movement, and call completed movement. When your pipelines update itself, you always know exactly where each lead is in your coaching journey. It keeps everything clean, organized, and consistent. So let's walk through the three movement workflows for day one. So for automation one, the first workflow, I name it new lead movement. So here, whenever someone submits the lead capture form, that becomes our trigger. And then the action moves the opportunity to the new lead stage inside your pipeline. This ensures every new contact appears in your system automatically without manual adding or dragging. So I label this clearly so anyone who opens the workflow instantly understands its purpose. Let's move to second automation. So the second workflow, I name it book call movement. So let me just click. This one triggers when someone books an appointment. The triggers is customer book appointment filtered by the calendar you created. So the action moves the opportunity straight to book call stage. Again, this keeps your pipeline accurate and reflects a real-time activity in your business. This workflow is also pre-built and I simply walking you through how it works. Now, let's talk about the third workflow, which updates the pipeline when the call is finished. I name it call completed movement. So for this automation, we use appointment status trigger. If you are using new Go High Level interface, you will see appointment mark as complete. But if you're using older version of Go High Level, you won't see the word completed. Instead, you will see status is showed. Showed is simply the old name for completed. Both of these mean the client attended the call. So whichever version you see in your account, use that option. And then I renamed this trigger to appointment mark as completed showed. Oh, sorry. Completed showed because it makes the workflow easier to read and understand. The technical word might be showed, but labeling it as completed makes the purpose instantly clear. And then for the action, I named it call completed stage. So here we add an update opportunity action. We choose the pipeline and set the stage to call completed. This way, the moment you mark the appointment as completed, the system updates the opportunity for you. I renamed the action to call completed. Labels like this helps you stay organized, especially when your system grows or when multiple people work on your account. Clear naming makes your entire automation easier to manage. So yeah, for day 11, we finalized all the three pipeline movement workflows. We already have the new lead movement, book call movement, and lastly the call completed movement. Together, these make your pipeline fully automated and accurate, so you always know exactly where each lead is in your coaching journey. Make sure all three workflows are saved and published, and that completes the day 11 of our 30-day Go High Level build. In the next video, we'll continue building the client journey and follow up system inside the Go High Level. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in day 12.